Now let's get into the internals of agents. Let's understand a couple of things called topics and actions. So we are trying to build a skill for an agent so that it is not just a chatbot, but rather it is more it's having more intelligent. Yeah. So first, before we get into these topics, right? Let's go and then click on this agent. Yeah. So this is the one that we just enabled, right? And as you can just see, there are few pre-configured prompts or instructions. So I'll just say summarize an account. Let's see what happens. So this agent is going to summarize a particular account for me. So in this case, I'm currently currently looking at this particular account, right? So this agent is intelligent enough to understand the account where currently I'm working on, and accordingly, right, it will just try to summarize this entire record for me. Summarization includes the contacts, related contacts, opportunities, cases, if there are any, etc. So you can just see this rated summary of this information. So this is pretty cool. Instead of me manually going through all the records, I see a quick summary about my account. So this is one example, a very simple example of how the intelligence is baked in to this particular agent. Yeah. So not only that I can do multiple things. For example, I can click on this, will clear the history, and then it just restarts this entire conversation. I'll just say show related opportunities. So let's wait for this request to get processed. There is a reason why there is a delay in processing your request. Yeah, we'll talk about that in the later videos. Okay, why there is a delay, the role of Einstein trust layer, etc. Yeah. So now you can just see this, right? It did look up for the opportunities related to this account. Yeah, and I can just see all the opportunities. So I'll just say that show me only open opportunities. I did not write any code, I did not configure anything. Automatically, right, when I just simply open or enable this einsteincopilot or an agent, internal agent, things have started working, correct? So how is it happening? There are no open opportunities, is it? Yeah, looks like there are no open opportunities. How many deals are in closed state? Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so whether it's able to count the number of opportunities and then tell me the output. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. Looks like there are 11 opportunities that are in closed state, which is cool. Okay, so these so this intelligence it's already baked into this AI agent, and this is where the skill configuration comes into the play, for which there are two important things that we should remember. One is topics and actions. Yeah, so that's what we're going to learn, and let's also explore the standard topics and actions, etc. Okay, so how do we understand this topics and agents? If you take each agent, right, so you can configure multiple topics. Okay, and then each topic can have multiple actions. So what is this topic all about? Yeah, by definition it goes by it's about the jobs that agent can handle. Fine, something like customer management, discount processing, etc. And action, okay, or the steps or the instructions, right, or the logic that gets the job done. From the definition standpoint, this is okay, but to understand this better, right, so this is nothing but a chat interface, correct? Yeah, you are trying to talk to an AI and then to get things done, correct? So it is more like think about how we typically converse. So let's say you and your friend are discussing about a movie. Yeah, so let's say your friend is asking you a question whether you watched a particular movie. So the moment you hear the term movie, correct? Yeah, so that's the topic you guys have picked up and then started discussing. So the follow-on questions are around the movie. So did you like the main character? Did you like the final fight scene? Or what do you think about the actor? or the actress in that movie. So all these are follow-on questions, correct? So basically, when we converse, correct, when we talk to each other, we just pick up a topic and then and then discuss. Suddenly your friend asks about, hey, how was the weather yesterday, at your place? Was it raining? So now there is a change in the topic. It's about weather, correct? So just like that, you have to help the the AI. When the skill is built, you have to help by defining different topics. Okay, so now being a CRM product, think of this, being a CRM product, there will be questions around the general questions about, the customer, opportunities, leads, etc. There will be specific questions about a product. There will be specific questions about the discounts, etc. So you create a topic so that agent knows, okay, the follow-on questions, right, will be around this topic. Yeah. Then, as I said earlier, when we talk to each other, so once we know the topic around which the questions are being asked, yeah, so we can able to answer it better, correct? So that's where the action comes into the play. Okay, so let's say your friend was asking whether it was raining, at your place yesterday. Yeah, so you will just say yes, it did rain, or you will just say no, it didn't rain, but there was a drizzle, correct? So that's the action, correct? That's the action, or in response to the question. So just like that, yeah. So if you apply that analogy back in our Salesforce or CRM, right? So action could be, okay, so given a topic, the action could be sending an email, creating a task, or calculating a price point for a customer, or calculating a promotion or a voucher code for a customer, etc. Correct? So this is where we will focus on creating our logic. Okay, yeah. So we'll see how we can able to build these actions. But the point is, you need to help AI to first find the topic, then find the appropriate action. Okay, we will do that. We will do how best we can help AI to find the right action to get things done. Yeah. So you will create topics and actions. So there are some standard actions and topics available. Okay, that's the reason. Whatever whatever question that you asked, yeah, like the deals that we have won, etc. Correct? So these questions, the AA was able to answer these questions. Okay, so where do I go and then see the standard actions and topics? So go to the setup and then look for agent. Of course, you will get landed on this particular page. So we are talking about internal agents. So choose einsteincopilot, go right here and then click on open and builder. So it will take you to the agent studio where you can configure the agent skill set, etc. through topics and actions. So this is the place, yeah. And right here I can just see 3 topics. One is called migration default topic. So any general queries around this CRM, right, related data like account, lead, opportunity, campaign, etc. So everything comes under this default topic. So this comes out of the box. We don't have to do anything. Yeah. So you can able to customize and then create your own topics. Let's say you wanted to have a certain intelligence built around lead management. Okay. So I can create a topic. Or you want to build some intelligence around customer discount management. I can get another topic. And if I go to each topic, if I click on topic, yeah, there are a lot of instructions that you can just see right here. We will see how we can able to create these instructions in the subsequent use cases. Yeah, this portion is important. Yeah, this part is important. So this is where the actions are configured. So given a topic, as I said, yeah, given a topic, you can able to configure multiple actions. Yeah, you can just see multiple actions written right here, as in creating an email or finding a record, finding aggregating data and then giving an output. So everything, right, is an action. The user might ask that, hey, can I know if this product is eligible for a discount? Yeah. So or if the product is eligible for a warranty. Yeah. So you can able to use one of the actions that will go and then search through your knowledge articles and then get you the response. So multiple actions you can able to configure. Okay. So you can use Flow, you can use Apex, you can use prompt templates to create these actions. Yeah. So this is one example. And for example, I have a topic called customer discount management. And if I go to this action, I do see multiple actions. Yeah. And there is an action called generate a voucher code and also create a voucher code, etc. So these are some custom actions that's been built. Okay, so we will create it. We will create in the next video. Yeah, but the point is, you will make this AA, more intelligent, and to get specific tasks done, pertaining to your own organization, right, business process, you will start creating that or building that skill set, using topics and actions. Okay, so that's why it is important. And as always, right, Salesforce gives you some standard components, correct, or standard configuration. So we do have standard topics which we have seen right here. We do have standard actions which we can make use of it and then further customize in the subsequent videos.